Today I'm gonna do a typing test because I'm curious to see what my WPM is, and because these quotes that this website gives me, they're just, I just think they're strange, and I thought I would record this for my own entertainment. Okay, let's start. Ever think about the thousands of people you pass by as you drive down the street? Not fucking really. Ever wonder as you take as you take a glimpse into their lives, how they feel? Oh my god. At that moment? Not really. Maybe even what they could be going through in their life? But what does it matter? To you, their lives mean nothing. They don't concern you. To them, their lives are everything. Oh no shit. The only world they know. Is this supposed to be like deep? Because it really isn't. But my WPM, it's like 60. That's not very good. But let's do it again. She knows now. Oh my god, I can't spell this. Absolutely. Hearing the white noise that, oh my fuck. That is London. That Damien's theory of jet lag is correct. I know there was a whole dude that came up with it. I should come up with something really obvious. And maybe I'll have a theory named after me. Oh my god, why am I the worst typer ever? I don't even know what this is saying. Umbilical down the vanished wake of the plane that brought her here. Oh my god, what is this? What even is this quote? Well, the source is right there, but I'm still very confused. I really don't like this quote, but I'm gonna finish strong. Actually, I'm having a hard time finishing. Holy shit. It's because I never use punctuation. Wow, that was really bad. 63. Wow, look at the thing I actually typed. That's terrible. Okay, we'll do another one. Krista. What if everybody you knew started dressing the same way, acting the same way, and doing everything the same? Would everyone start fisting their assholes at midnight like me? You would start to think it's weird. Not really. Fisting yourself is perfectly healthy. What if you started doing the same thing? Well, I already do fist myself, so that was redundant. Well, what would make you special? I can nut in 30 seconds. If I fist myself hard enough, that's what makes me special. You are no longer unique? Well, you're gonna have to taste my nut to see if I'm unique. This is a really depressing quote. They're really not letting me be myself. Oh my fucking god. So dare to be different. Don't fist yourself at midnight. Fist yourself at 1 a.m. after everyone has finished fisting themselves. You can clean up their cum with your deep gaping asshole. 73. I'm improving. Let's do it again. Oh, a love letter. Dear Lucas, every time I write that, it sounds strange. How did our lives drift so far apart? And how, without even trying, did we make our lives so complicated? Well, I don't fucking know. Don't ask me. I guess what I mean to say is it all seems so much easier when we face the asshole together. That's true. 80. Wow, I'm truly the master typer. Let's do one more. I so wish. Oh my god, Mitt Romney. Shit. We in this. That I've been able. Is this a love letter to Mitt Romney? To lead. He didn't lead the country at all. In a different direction. Oh, but the nation chose another leader. And so Anne and I join with you to earnestly pray for him and for this great cock. Oh fuck, I actually typed cock. 71. Nice. Nice. Awesome. As you can see, my accuracy is increasing. Honestly, thank you, Mitt Romney, for helping my typing speed increase. Although you didn't lead our country, you did lead me to a higher WPM, and I thank you for that.